Now, let's solve an IB exam style question. The question says that y to the power of 3 times y to the power of n, all of it divided by y is equal to y to the power of 6, and we need to find out the value of n. We have to apply the rules of logs in order of indices in order to find out the value of n. So we start by the numerator. Since we multiply, we add up the powers. So it becomes y to the power of 3 plus n over y is equal to y over 6. And here, in the denominator, the power of y is 1. And we know that when we divide powers having the same base, we just subtract. So this becomes y to the power of 3 plus n, all of it minus 1 will be equal to y to the power of 6. Now, since the bases are equal, the powers must be equal as well. So we'll be having 3 plus n minus 1 is equal to 6. Now, just add, I will be having 2 plus n is equal to 6. Now I'll have n to be equal to 4. So the value of n in here is equal to 4.